How's it going? Now, I have a lot of questions about access platforms, but I prefer to ask them up there. Now, Dominic, I heard a little rumor that you and your product development team actually built this. Tell me.
Yeah, that's right. So I'm responsible for the global engineering team at PALFINGER. And yeah, we are designing all this crazy stuff over here.
Wow, that is cool. So tell me about this. What is this? Is this fully electric?
Yeah, so actually we are in a height of 24 meters in a full electric platform. So that means not only the platform is operated with electricity, also the truck is fully electric.
And the truck is fully electric as well?
It's a Volvo FE electric truck. It's a brand new one. And we are the first who can present a fully electric platform on the BAUMA show here in Munich.
Imagine a standard truck, one of your diesel-powered engines with this working off hydraulics. How does this compare capability-wise?
Yeah, it's not that different. So we have exactly the same performance data on that platform.
Oh wow! Okay.
The operating speed is exactly the same. So, but the feeling when you operate the unit, you might think that it's even faster. It's simply going up without any noise.
So, Dominic, why electric? Tell me, why electric? Why all the fuss about electric?
I think this is one of the most important questions. So usually these platforms are used in the city center for building maintenance, for window cleaning, during the night, at the day, and nobody wants to hear the combustion engines running in the city center.
Okay, just off the top of my head, thinking about reservations that I may have if I want one of these, how much power does this crane draw from the actual truck? Am I going to put this crane in the air and then by the time it comes back down, I've run out of charge and I can't even get back home?
No, we will not face this situation. So actually we have a 265 kilowatt hour battery on the truck. So we have to think about driving the truck. This has a range of roughly 200 kilometers. This is what the manufacturer tells us.
Yes.
But only operating the unit, this will last at least 3 weeks.
Well, I'm a man who likes to get on with work and hashtag no days off. But I really don't think that anyone would be up for 3 weeks in a row. So that's fantastic.
Yeah, so we operated the unit the whole day. A lot of customers were riding with it. We are still 91% in the battery.
We are 91% and we've got a green tick, whatever that means.
Yeah, everything's right.
Okay, so for people who don't have an electric truck, for people who still have a diesel truck and they have a crane, can they take advantage of any of this? I was looking downstairs and I saw that someone had a hybrid solution. I believe it's a prototype.
Yeah, that's right.
So I love it up here, but could we possibly go back down so I could have a look at that prototype?
No problem. Let's go down.
Now let's go and have a look at this prototype. Mr. Prototype.
Kind of.
I was just with Dominic, Mr. Product Development, and I asked him a question. I love the electric unit, and I was asking if I had an existing unit and I wasn't going to invest in a new electric unit yet, how could I benefit? And I believe there's some sort of hybrid that you're working on, a prototype.
That's exactly what I wanted to show in here. It's exactly the use case you mentioned. You do own a platform.
Yes.
And for instance, the inner city of London, it's not longer allowed to work with diesel engines.
It's all going that way. Yes.
So that's why we've developed this prototype. It's a battery pack.
Yes.
That means it's just minor adaptations on the platform itself.
Yes.
Just interconnecting the hydraulic and the electrical system.
Okay, and does this have to be permanently fixed to this unit, or if I have a few of these, can I use it on different units whenever they go into town?
Yes, that's another USP of this system. You can retrofit your platforms, but you only have to buy 1 or 2 of this, and you just equip the platform you want to work with this device.
Do you mind?
Give it a try. Put it there, and now it's done.
That's it.
Done. Just connect it with the first battery and you can work for another day.
And I've got another day.
Yes.
And I can stack these.
Yes.
And I could put them on my trailer and I could take them to a unit that was somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly.
Tell me about this unit.
That's an electric motor and a pump. The pump uses the oil, the hydraulic oil,
Yes.
from the tank of the truck.
Yes.
And again, there's no limitation in speed. There's no limitation in all the movements.
So just a couple of adaptations to my existing crane, and I could take full advantage of the new features, and I could use my existing truck for any work which was in low emission zones or low noise zones.
Yes, yes.
Well, thank you very much. My eyes have definitely been opened.